Hey guys, today I'm going to answer one of the most pressing questions that a lot of people have. What do you do when trades go against you? What do you do when you buy a stock and then the moment you buy it, everything falls, right? What do you do when you buy a call option and then the trade goes against you and you're losing money, right? This is a common question that a lot of people actually ask me, right? At what point do I cut loss? At what point do I move on? And all these things. So what's very important, right, first and foremost, is to always understand why did you first enter the position. Alright, you always must have a trade thesis when you are entering a position. Are you entering it maybe on technical analysis on a support level, for example? Are you entering it because you feel that the stock is intrinsically undervalued? Are you entering it because you saw a breakout pattern in the particular stock? What was the reason you entered it in the first place? And if the price moved against you, did it not fit that criteria? Is it no longer the reason anymore? Is the reason no longer valid? That's the question I want to ask. Let's say, for example, if you bought a stock and the reason why you bought the stock is because you feel it's a great company and it's selling at a great discount, and you actually buy it at, let's say, $50, and the price happens to fall to $40. What you must understand that right now the stock is at an even better buy, right? At an even better buy. So that's one of the things you must understand, and that's from an investing perspective, right? So when a trade goes wrong, you must ask yourself, what is the reason why you entered, and is that reason still valid or no? Alright, let's say, for example, you entered it based on a technical analysis, right, and you saw that it was at a support level, but it actually broke past the support level. Then one of the things that you might want to consider is you might want to actually consider cutting your losses quick and re-entering at the next support level. Alright, so whatever your theory might be, make sure you stick to the roots. Alright, and again, most importantly, as an investor, one of the foremost things I can tell you is this: most people get in and out, and they get nowhere. Alright, if you have an investment thesis and you know a company is a great company selling at a great discount, for example, ride through the waves. Alright, eventually things will turn out alright. You know, as with anything in life, as with investments, as with stocks, as with companies, you know, never is it one straight line. You know, there will be ups, there will be downs, but typically the greatest investors who make the most money are not those who actually get in and out at every given turning point, right? They are those who stick it through the tough times, good or bad, you know, good or sad, happy or sad, whatever it is, they stick through it and they hold on for the ride. And these are the guys who reap the greatest rewards. So let me ask you, my friends, have you been trying to zip in and out of your investments and see no results, right? Simply because you fear whenever you see a red in your account? Or are you one who is able to ride through the pain and the storm and to actually see the fruits of your labor over a given period of time? From my experience trading for the last decade, I can tell you that, hey, honestly speaking, right, the most important thing is to have conviction in the price that you enter, right? If, let's say, for example, you see it based on technical analysis, have conviction that it's a great company. That's number one. It's a great price you're entering, right? Number two, stick to your rules. What is your checklist? What is your rules? Stick to that rules. And number three, ride it out, ride through the ups and downs, and that's when you actually will reap the greatest reward. So that's the most important thing, my friends, in actually understanding and knowing when and what to do when you actually face losses in the markets. Thank you very much. I hope you found this video useful, my friends. Let me know what stocks you actually want me to analyze in the comment section down below, and in the meantime, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well. Thank you.